Welcome back to another video. Team T is ℂ𝕝𝕒𝕟𝕕, your 24-year-old California lawyer. So in this episode, I'll basically be doing a bunch of different things. I don't really have a set plan or a theme. Not that I know of. I might have a set theme by the end. But yeah, it's currently 7:55 a.m. Hearing is about in 20 minutes, so I had to get dressed. Got my hair already kind of wet, just gotta comb it out, gel it, whatnot. But yeah, I'll let you guys know how it went. Hopefully it goes well for our clients. I'm really hoping for the best on this one, but we'll just see. It's hard to predict what a judge might do. There was no tentative rulings on this. I'm not sure if there really are tentative rulings on ex parte hearings. So yeah, well, I'm dressed up, I'm ready to go. But we'll see what happens. My partner actually called me with some bad news that I don't feel like sharing right now. But yeah, we'll just see how the hearing goes. Based on what he told me, I think it's kind of apparent where this hearing will go, which isn't that great, but still being hopeful, and we'll just see what happens. If you guys haven't noticed, it was at the end of yesterday's video. If you guys made it to the end, or not yesterday, but the last video, I decided to finally hang this tiger frame. They used to be on the other side of the wall before I made like the Lamborghini wall and whatnot. And I have changed this. It says "Triumph Your Dreams Awaits." I think it's easier to read than what I had going on before. So I decided to replace it. I still have everything I did before because that took a lot of time. But you know, as all the cars, or some of the cars that were originally in the Triumph Your Dreams Await sign thing that I had made. But yeah, that's that. As you guys can see, I'm back to my regular clothes. The hearing is over. We actually had to wait about almost an hour. There was a lot of people ahead of us. There were a lot of people even behind us. So yeah, that's that. The judge didn't actually want to do what we wanted her to do, but it wasn't for the reasons my partner assumed right before the hearing, as you guys know from the previous scene. So the judge didn't want to sign it just because we're doing an ex parte hearing without giving notice to the petitioner. And yeah, so basically she didn't feel comfortable making a signing that's worth, you know, where there's a property in question basically, and it's worth around like $400,000. So the judge basically did not want to make a decision this big without at least giving notice to the other side, which is very understandable. Unfortunately, we needed to rush these things. I think my partner was able to buy more time with the people surrounding this case, but we are still trying to rush things, so we'll see what happens. We have to give notice. We're trying to beef up our case right now, since the judge wants us to give notice and fill out this other form. And yeah, we'll pretty much roll out from there. We'll see what happens. I think I already mentioned today's Tuesday. Still plenty of the week to go. And yeah, back at it again with moving the cars. It's a long damn day. It's a long damn day. If you guys can't tell, it's a pretty long day. Work is still being worked. As usual, kind of having interesting situation of sorts. So yeah, dealing with that. Not sure if I'm gonna shoot again today. I might, but I'm not very certain. Most likely won't. But if I don't, I will see you guys tomorrow. And hopefully it's not a crazy day tomorrow and it's calmer and stuff, but we'll see. I can't show you guys right now because of confidentiality and whatnot, but there's like literally docs like all over my freaking room. It's a long day. We were rearranging the cars and I decided to show my dad that my car pops and crackles. I didn't know that until like I think it was like a week and a half ago. My sister and I were on a spin, and she was like, what is that sound? Is that your car?" And obviously we had music playing, couldn't really tell. Turned down the music, gassed it a little bit, and what do you know, on like sport mode or sport plus for sure, I'm not sure about sport mode, the exhaust really pops and crackles. The reaction to my dad's face was freaking epic. I wish I had recorded it, but I don't know if he wants to be on camera. But I was just like, I put the car in park after rearranging it to the new spots, and I told him I was gonna show him something, and I just like gassed it a few times, and it was like popping and cracking like crazy. It was so epic. This is bomb. You could see, moving the cars around again for like the 30th time. In this video I want to show you guys what it sounds like when it pop and crackles, but I'll probably wait to show you guys because I can't do it when the car is not warm. So yeah. So I forgot to say Happy Veterans Day to those who served, those who are related to those who served, friends with them, whatever, what have you. Happy Veterans Day for all of you. Yeah, going back to the previous scene, the only reason I ended up revving it when I said I wasn't was because my dad asked me to do it, so I was just like, alright, what the hell, why don't I just do it? So that's pretty much that. Yeah, there's not much to really add. Today is Wednesday. It's the evening time at this point, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Closing out this vlog, thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my merch. Triumph, your dreams await.